make some queso. So I'll be seasoning the cauliflower and broccoli up. I'll be griddling it. In the meantime, I'll be smoking the queso. Hey, good afternoon, or good morning, or good evening, wherever you are. Big Papa here. We're going to make some Hatch chili queso. And what the queso is going to be for is some really nicely griddled cauliflower and broccoli. So let's start with tried and true Velveeta. Okay, this is 1 pound. Now, normal queso, when you're going to do it with Rotel, which is what I'm doing, they want 2 of these in 2 cans. This is great because I can do this with 1 can. 1 can of Rotel, 1 pound of Velveeta. Put that in there like that. I'm gonna hit it with just a little hallelujah. That's Big Papa's jalapeno salt. I really love it. Then I'm gonna do just a little drizzle of crema to just kind of thin it out, a little Mexican crema. Let's see. We're gonna put them in here. We're gonna take these Hatch chilies that I roasted. And I love to roast them. You get a batch of them, roast them. You can shrink rack them and freeze them. Or I keep a baggie of these ready to go. So these Hatch chilies, which are from Hatch Valley in New Mexico, I dearly love the mild flavor. So here we go. This is about 3 peppers. Now, key is, a lot of people do this and they strain the tomatoes. You want to use the juice in here too on the Rotella. This has got green chilies in it too, and tomatoes. We're going to smoke it for about 40 minutes. Should be perfect. In about 20 minutes in, we're going to start cooking the broccoli and the cauliflower. And here you go. We're going to put this on the smoker. It'll be a lot of fun. Got my Big Papa drum, 275. Right here. 20 minutes, I'll be back. Now here comes the fun part. A little safflower oil. Okay, just a little. Good with some Desert Gold here. Desert Gold, some citrus, some garlic, some sesame. All the good kind of California vibe, Mediterranean. About 5 minutes or so, 10 minutes. Then I'll flip them over. And we should be really close with the queso that's on the smoker. Okay, I've flipped them. See how beautiful and golden brown they are? Soften, maybe about 5 minutes and we're done. Been on for 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna come in here and stir it up. Woo! Oh, I think people are going to like this at home. Hatch chili just look beautiful. Tomatoes are going to add some great flavor. Probably has about 5 more minutes to go. I could have timed everything perfectly. Imagine that. Okay, I think we're golden. Now what we have here, Desert Gold, butter, and lemon. There's our queso. Watch this. Butter, lemon, Desert Gold mixed in with the butter. Look, they're vegetables. Who cares if I got 10 pounds of fat? Here comes the real The real deal, kids. Pretty good, huh?